How to fix Bluetooth disappeared from Action Center in Windows 11. Hello friends, Bluetooth option might be missing from the Action Center, and as a result, the Bluetooth device like headset or mic couldn't work on your computer. Follow the steps to fix it. First of all, set the device as default. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, go to Sound, scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. Find the device which is not working, select it and click on Set Default. Now go to the Recording tab. Here also find the device which is not working and set it as default. Click on Set Default. Then check if the device started working. If the issue still persists, then shut down your computer. Unplug the power cable from your computer for 30 minutes. Then plug it in again and turn your computer on. Then check if the problem is solved. If the problem still occurs, run SFC and DISM command line tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, type SFC space / scan now. Press enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once completed, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find this command DISM restore health. Copy the command from the description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Wait until it is completed. After completion, close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is solved. If the Bluetooth device is still not working, then modify Bluetooth support service configurations. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services. From the result, look for Bluetooth support service in the list. This one, right click on this service, select Properties, make sure that startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, here it is manual, change it to automatic. If the service is stopped and it is not showing running, then a start button will be highlighted. Click on Start, click on Apply and click on OK. Close the services window and restart your computer. Then check if Bluetooth device started working. Turn off fast startup. For this, click on Search, type Control, click on Control panel, click on Category and select Large icons. From Control panel, click on Power Options. From the left pane, click on the link which says Choose what the power button does. And here, click on this link. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Turn on fast startup is enabled on my computer. If it is also enabled on your computer, then uncheck this box and click on Save Changes. If it is already disabled on your computer, then leave it as it is. If it is enabled, uncheck the box and click on Save Changes. Close the control panel and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.